Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can integrate your Facebook Pixel ID into your Godaddy website. Without further ado, let's get started. To get started, you'll need to create a Facebook Pixel and obtain your Pixel ID from your Facebook Ads Manager account. If you haven't created a Facebook Pixel yet, you can do so by navigating to the Pixel section in your Ads Manager and following the prompts to create a new pixel. Once you have your Facebook Pixel ID, follow these steps to add it to your Godaddy website. Log into your Godaddy account, and once you're in, click on your account on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Once you're there, click on My Products and select the website that you want to add the pixel to. Now what you want to do is click on Edit Website right here. Then click the Settings button right here. Scroll down until you find this Facebook Pixel button right here. So what you want to do is click this Facebook Pixel button right here, and you will then have to paste your Pixel ID into this field. Save your changes, and once that's done, click Publish. And there you have it, your site is now live. So there you go, you've successfully added your Facebook Pixel ID to your Godaddy website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.